Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code there, winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Perpetual Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by Maxwell Zikali.
I'd like to say thank you, Steve.
Sure, Tamara.
Kuma fans wetu.
Sure.
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
Kungeko, we talk each other. I think it's been a year now.
Sure, Tamara.
So I like to say engagement, all supporters.
Yeah.
To say I still love you guys.
Sure.
I'm back now.
Yeah.
I like to say thank you to all supporters for Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Shows how mature they are about football.
Yes, Tamara.
Steve, there's other people. They want to shoot like ngathi ukumosha this thing and I start abafowethu.
Sure, Tamara.
Ngizele nje ukuzokhuza certain supporters.
Yeah.
Uze bengadivide ama supporters. Let us talk about football.
Yeah.
Uyangithola.
Sure, Tamara.
Asiyeke ukubizana ngama negative things.
Yes, Tamara.
So that thing iyaseculator thina abanye abantu sinabantwana abakhula esibakhulisa through la.
Yes, Tamara.
Ukuze ba understand about football.
Sure, Tamara.
So let us support football.
Yeah.
Singabi negative.
Sure, Tamara.
So I like to say thank you to management here Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
What they've been done for Orlando Pirates. This is a massive shows how supporters they love a team.
Yes.
I want to say to all Orlando Pirates, where Orlando Pirates plays,
Sure,
let us go there and support a team. So, those things about came in hand, it's only management they know how they cancels our games.
Sure.
So the only issue stable, I want to thank Coach Uwatu, technical team, the way they do things. It even goes to TTC. Those boys they are pushing so hard. So to my side, Steve, we've got a still long way to go. I can't say now we are challenging the league. Steve, we need a league, dark or blue. The only issue I would to Steve, this year it's another different story. We are new lapha phezulu. Beyabo bangaspiza uthi singabona ntombikayise. But lelo gama limnandi ngoba nayo lo muntu okhuluma leyo nto uzalwa uye lo ntombikayise. So ngiyakubonga kulokho ke Steve for your guys, for your team. Singawamosha ama fans wethu. You have been start this thing bafowethu. Singafuni ama views in a wrong talkative things. So ngithanda ukuthi bafowethu to you ama fans wethu. Keep on doing a good job what you are doing for supporters.
Thank you, Tamalam.
Oh yeah, ngithi kumachita ku Orlando Pirates ama players. Let us keep on supporting the way abapusha ngakhona. Steve ngiyabonga mfowethu ayiyobonana eThekwini mawuthi uzoya eDurban uyobonana khona eThekwini. Ngibonge kubafo ingane ngiyibona ngihlezi ngibona kuma shows uthi hey ngilethe umntwana lekhaya ngoba kuyibhakanile. Ngiyabonga mfowethu ingane iyayishuzela yona ukuthi ifuna ukuyaphi lapho okune happiness ikhona. Ngiyabonga mfowethu.
Thank you, Tamalam.